Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of insight and ask for your help on one of my labors of love here. So back in the 90s, my sister went to Spencer's Gifts and bought an alarm clock like this. And if you search Caveman alarm clock, you'll see a lot of fully functional models. I got this one on a deal because it's a little broken. But anyway, the way that it works is it's an alarm clock, and there's two mechanical, two little mechanical guys on here. And you'll see here shortly, they are missing the drum, the cymbal, and the log, the wooden log that the pink guy would normally beat down on. And I'm not too worried about that part, but what I am worried about is when, there it is, you'll see that the orange-haired guy's left arm doesn't quite strike all the way down. Both of the pink arms work, and it's actually really evident in this solo coming up. Right there. So what I've worked out is that there is, on the underside here, a little bit of wire coming through to each of the characters. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see, and hopefully it lightens up a little bit. There we are. Common ground comes in, and then there is the right arm, which is yellow here, and the left arm, which is the green one here. And connected to it are these two little, real tiny copper wires here. I tried to take the characters apart. Unfortunately, it looks like I may end up having to break them in order to get at the motors. So if you have any insight as to what might be causing just this motor, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 motors on here, just this one, to not fire or not function, please let me know.